Do you want to create the illusion of endlessly zooming into your video? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add an infinite zoom effect in CapCut Mobile by using its built-in video effects. Let's get started. First, open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it into the editing timeline. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then select Video Effects. Browse through the available effect categories and you can search for Infinite Zoom. Tap the effect to preview it. You will see a continuous zoom animation that creates the illusion of moving endlessly into the scene. You can also make some adjustments. Tap the Adjust button and slide the slider all the way you want. The slider option depends on the version of CapCut you have. Once you're satisfied with the preview, tap the check mark to apply the effect. Drag the beginning or end of the layer to adjust how long the zoom effect plays. Play your video to preview the final result before exporting. And that's how you add an infinite zoom effect in CapCut Mobile. Zoom beyond the ordinary. Thanks for watching and happy editing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless.